Hey guys, we're just gonna go over vendhere-leads. We are bringing to you lead generation straight from Vendhere Inc. It's called vendhere-leads. Just go to vendhere-leads.com. Again, that's vendhere-leads. It is an all-in-one marketing tool suite. So again, vendhere-leads.com. And I'm going to quickly go over, this is just kind of what it looks like once you get onto the site. But we really want to make lead generation very simple for you. And so one of the features that I was going to just quickly do just a quick video. Again, it really is the perfect toolkit to get more leads, to automate. And it's called the enrichment feature. Okay, so this is just like, we have just so many features built into this, but we're just gonna go over one. Okay, so that's how simple this is really. So here is what the dashboard would actually look like, and I'm just going to quickly go over. So the amazing thing about this tool is you can do business to business contacts, business to consumers, and so just focusing on that enrichment. And why we call it enrichment is because you're almost filtering out the fluff, and you're generating high value leads. So leads that are more in line with your target audience. So with the business to business contents, you could literally create several lists. You can upload lists of existing data that you may have and actually clean that based on the domain. You can organize it by folders. Even target certain company domains that you want to extract contacts, the right contacts, decision makers. And so that's a very, very powerful tool. You upload it. We've made it, the user interface, very, very easy to use. See, the file will pretty much generate a report for you with total number of companies listed and amount of contacts that are found. So that's very, very important. And you could download this. It's always available in Excel, CVS file, for however else you want to manipulate, and easily integrate it into your current CRM system. So finding business content, this is probably one of my favorites here. Do it by country, so not even just limited to the United States. By industry, love it even more. By size, so if you focus on a particular business size, for example, for Vendhere, we focus on startups in small businesses, mostly early stage organizations for business planning and financial forecast. We also offer online courses as a virtual business incubator. So we would easily target, companies, the size wouldn't be as long. We can target maybe companies at least under 200 employees, maybe even 100 employees, or even 11 to 50 if we want to get that specific. So that's a very, very powerful tool. And just to show you a quick example of that, you can easily type in here, United States. Just for example, let's say I was looking for accounting companies, easily select. So many industries here, guys. I mean, this is just an amazing, powerful tool. Again, you definitely want to sign up. Easy sign up, vendhere-leads.com. So in the size, I'm just going to say we wanted to focus on 11 to 50 employees for size. Look at that, whopping 3,955 companies. And so you can literally download that and you just go over here and you can pick the format that you want it in. So I can click, Excel format. And then guess what? It is going to generate all 3,000 plus, what was that? 3,955 contacts. That is just phenomenal. That is absolutely phenomenal. And you got the name of the company, you got the domain. Remember, we selected accounting, so I got all 3,000 plus. Here you can locality, which is just, and in Excel, you could obviously filter out. So let's say I wanted to search and just say, Let's try, we could say Virginia. I think I saw Virginia was listed on there. It could easily pull up. Oh, there you go. There's your hit, and you could easily just filter by that. So it would have filtered that for you right there. You got your contact, or you can select all, and you can decide. You can also see here the year founded. So maybe you might even see a company that was founded some years ago. This is a company founded in the 1978, but the size is 11 to 50 employees, which could be fine for some firms, but maybe others, that's actually an area you can identify and say, wow, maybe they are looking to, kind of grow. They kind of hit, a plateau, and that could actually be a way that you filter out leads and say, you know what, these types of companies that we want to see if we could spark some interest and contact. Can even give them LinkedIn company profiles so that you can actually go online and also see the decision makers. And then guess what, guys? We have a tool for that as well right here in the prospecting tools. LinkedIn extract email. So this is an extremely powerful tool. Again, I was just focusing here on the business to business, just one under the enrichment. So many features that you can easily manipulate, integrate the data into your current CRM system, customer relationship management. So for that company that I picked, it shows that they have 20 employees. They have 20 contacts that you could possibly get. And of course, you don't want just all 20, you want the decision makers. So that's what we're helping you out with, guys. We're really trying to make this easy for you. This is a very, very flexible tool. It can really integrate into almost any process. So definitely, once more, vendhere-leads.com. The perfect toolkit for automating your complete marketing tool set. And so you can go ahead and get signed up. You can get signed up for free. Just try it out. I mean, what's to lose? This is just amazing. I mean, even just a few minutes I just showed you now. So you can get quite a lot done. So excited to help you out. Come on down to vendhere-leads.com and sign up. And while you're at it, make sure you smash that like button. And we're going to be bringing much more content showing you what's going on with us. So thank you.